Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls, so at the back side of each earbud. Right here at the top we have this wheel, right here and right here, this one is touch area, so make sure that you press on it or press and hold or triple press, double press, you know. Now, if you know that you press on it correctly, next step is to perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone, and after that open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone, so remove them and check is it fixed. If it doesn't, also maybe you just disable these controls. You need to open EARFUN Audio app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you just tap on them, scroll down, and firstly, make sure that you do not disable it. If you did it, just click at the slider. And if you go to customize control, so maybe you have disabled on some control, like what I have right now. So then just select something else or click reset and you will have it by default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!